right, this is the beginning of 24 hours of straight travel.
Yes, we are heading on a ferry right now, which is going to take us to Sertini.
Then we get on a bus.
Which is going to take us to a train.
An overnight train, another one. This one's a little different than the one we did last time, though. It's an older train, so it should be kind of exciting to see. This time we're going to get food to go on it. And what's the final destination?
We're heading to Bangkok!
Yeah, we're very excited to be back there. We love Bangkok. So the people that we bought the ferry tickets from said that the trip is anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, and that's mostly for delays. And it would appear there's been a delay already.
There's no boat!
Boat came in. It was barely delayed, really.
Yeah, it's a big one!
Yeah, this one is huge. Probably the biggest one we've been on since Greece.
I'm excited.
Looks really nice. How you guys feeling about this 24-hour travel day?
Oh yeah.
Super ready.
Favorite times of days.
Cooking coffee.
My ticket was slightly sweaty.
They have a convenience store. Tia's gonna be really excited for that. We're on the ferry.
It's air conditioned.
This one's really nice, actually.
And guess who's gonna raid that convenience store?
This is honestly the most comfortable ferry ever. It's so nice.
I think it's time for a nap.
Yeah. Figured it's something new. What's it smell like?
Shrimp. It's kind of sweet.
It's sweet? Like a sweet shrimp flavor? Our boat's docking.
What?
Our boat is docking.
Hey.
Now we're on a bus. It should take just around an hour to get to the train station. And then we're set. The bus was a success, but we did end up taking a slight detour to the airport. Instead, we went straight past the train station. I'm not really sure why it went on that route.
But it did add an extra hour and like 15 minutes to our trip. So now we are on hour 6.
That's where we're at. Our train leaves in about 4 hours.
So we have time to eat.
Let's go.
So we stumbled on this awesome outdoor food market, and we're so hungry because we have so many options.
Yeah. Every time I turn around, Tia's buying another something. I'm just a pack mule carrying everything. Lunch/dinner at the park.
It's pretty nice out here.
It is.
Right across the street from the food market, so we didn't have to walk that far.
Yeah, it's near the train station.
So we just finished our lunch/dinner. We ate enough for both, just in case there isn't any food on the train like there wasn't any last time.
But fingers crossed there is food this time. Now we just play the waiting game till 8 p.m. tonight. Got 2 hours, something like that.
And the train's on its way.
It's a little bit late, but I'm happy we're getting on it. Air conditioning is gonna be nice.
It's really hot outside. We made it. So tired.
This is my bed here. And Tia's up here.
I can already hear people snoring.
So this is an older train compared to the one that we took from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. You can tell the beds are a little bit different. There's a lot more stainless steel and chrome everywhere. But overall, they're pretty similar. They've got these really old style, like 1950s fans, which are really cool, but it's air conditioned now, which is really, really nice. And they also have restrooms.
So this is the bathroom. Nice window. So the first thing I noticed is that I don't have as much headroom in this one. So now I know what Cheveyo always feels like. Also, the bathrooms are a little bit older and not as spacious as the last one. But besides that, it's really nice in here, and you get really clean sheets, and the air conditioning is nice and strong, which is really nice after 11 hours straight of traveling. So.
Good night.
I love you.
Update. I'm too cold. I'm gonna go down there. Can I come in?
Come on. Good night. How you doing?
I'm tired, but I'm good.
Got to watch the sunrise.
Yeah, it's really pretty out there. We do have like 3 more hours until we land in Bangkok, so I might take another nap.
So we're almost in Bangkok. The train is about an hour late right now, but at least we're comfortable. And there's people selling food. How you doing?
I'm so hungry.
Let's buy some food.
Okay.
Our train's coming to the station here. It's time to go. There they are, there's Lisa and Josh. This station is absolutely huge.
It's so massive. It's like a whole airport.
Yeah, it's the biggest we've ever seen, for sure. So we've got to go through this station in order to get to BTS, and we're going to take that to our hotel.
And we just want to see the inside of it.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Go, go, go. All right, now we are in the subway below the brand new station here in Bangkok, and we're making our way to Sukhumvit, to our hotel, and it should be a quick ride compared to our last train ride.
Feels good to be in Bangkok again, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm so excited to be in the subway again.
Yeah, the subway system here is so nice.
Oh yeah. The guys are way more motivated than we are.
We're 27 and a half hours into a 24-hour journey. 1 more mile to walk. Wow.
Ooh. Wow. Holy smokes. Oh my god, that's really high.
We knew we'd be tired at the end of this whole journey, so we did get a nicer hotel with points. And it is very nice. See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Would you say that the tea is oishi?
I would. Just now in the...
What are you doing? You're not. No. This station is absolute. We're 27 and a half hours into a 24.
Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, keep going.